Keeping weapons secure does not have to mean sacrificing style or drawing attention. Today, some of the smartest storage solutions are designed to hide in plain sight, blending effortlessly into everyday spaces. From ordinary furniture with secret compartments to unexpected hiding spots you would never think twice about, these ideas are as clever as they are practical. Whether you value safety, privacy, or simply appreciate smart design, hidden storage can completely change how you protect what matters. In this video, we explore 15 genius hidden weapon storage hacks you've never seen before. Innovative, discreet, and surprisingly impressive. Hornady Rapid Safe Night Guard. The Hornady Rapid Safe Night Guard impresses as a discreet yet highly functional bedside weapon storage solution that combines security with convenience. Designed to look like an ordinary clock while concealing a secure firearm drawer, it uses patented RFID technology for fast, touch-free access, and also allows entry via a keypad or mechanical key, ensuring flexibility in how you reach your handgun. Its heavy-duty, tamper-resistant construction and spring-assist padded drawer make storing and retrieving most full-size handguns smooth and reliable. Additional features like integrated USB-A charging ports and a 1,500-pound rated security cable add practical value. Compact dimensions and dual power options, AC with battery backup, round out its thoughtful design, making it an effective hidden weapon storage hack that balances safety, accessibility, and everyday utility. Locking Trunk Rifle Cabinet. The Locking Trunk Rifle Cabinet is a clever hidden weapon storage hack for sedan owners who need secure, discreet rifle storage on the go. Sized at about 38 inches wide and 18 inches long, it mounts directly to your vehicle's floor, using factory points to ensure a stable, tamper-resistant fit. Its heavy-duty construction and single deep drawer provide generous space without compromising security, while the Strike Guard system resists pry attacks and the high-security Kaba Simplex combination lock with key override enhances protection. A weatherproof compression lock and folding T-handle make it durable and easy to use, making this cabinet ideal for anyone needing quick and reliable access to rifles while traveling or headed to the range. Timber Vaults Hidden Gun Shelves. The Timber Vaults. Hidden gun shelves are an elegant and surprisingly clever hidden weapon storage hack that blends security with everyday home decor. Crafted from premium hardwood and finished to match your interior, these shelves conceal a secret compartment that opens only with battery-powered RFID technology, ensuring fast, restricted access while keeping the space looking like a normal decorative shelf. The hidden compartment is sized to fit a handgun, keys, cash, or other small valuables, and the shelf installs easily on wall studs for sturdy support. While not as secure as a full gun safe, the mix of style, swift access, and discreet concealment makes these shelves a thoughtful option for responsible firearm owners who want practical, hidden storage that doesn't stand out. Hornady Rapid Vehicle Safe. The Hornady Rapid Vehicle Safe is a standout hidden weapon storage hack for securing a handgun in your vehicle without sacrificing quick access or security. Built with heavy-duty 14-gauge steel and internal hardened locking lugs, it exceeds ASTM international safety standards and appears on the California DOJ approved safety device roster, giving assurance against tampering and unauthorized use. Its patented RFID touch-free entry lets you open the spring assist lid instantly with a wristband, key fob, or decal, and a programmable keypad and barrel key provide reliable backup access. The safe installs easily between the console and seat with an inflatable bladder, no vehicle modifications required, and includes a security cable for added anchoring, while dual power options, 12 V adapter or AAA batteries, keep it ready at all times. Compact yet rugged, this solution is ideal for responsible owners who want discreet, secure in-vehicle firearm storage with rapid accessibility. Guitar Rifle Case. The Guitar Rifle Case is a creative and effective hidden weapon storage hack that disguises firearm transport as a plain guitar case while offering real protection and functionality. Many versions feature a hard shell or padded exterior resembling a standard guitar case, making them ideal for discreetly moving rifles without attracting attention. Inside, customizable foam inserts allow you to secure a rifle and accessories snugly, and lockable zippers or latches enhance security. Some models are TSA approved for air travel and include multiple carry options like drag handles and wheels, combining practicality, low-profile design, and dependable storage into one versatile solution. Quick Safe's Quick Vent. The Quick Safes. Quick Vent is a clever hidden weapon storage hack that disguises a secure safe as an ordinary fresh air return vent, blending seamlessly into any wall for discreet concealment. Designed to fit between standard 2 by 16-inch stud spacing, it uses RFID locking technology so you can unlock it instantly by touching the included keycard, fob, or token to the sensor. No codes to remember in a stressful moment. The galvanized steel construction and subtle appearance keep valuables like firearms, cash, and jewelry out of sight yet readily accessible. Quick installation hardware is included, and the safe comes with 4 pre-programmed RFID keys plus a backup battery pack, making this both a practical and stealthy home security addition. Gun Bed. The gun bed is an innovative hidden weapon storage hack that integrates firearm concealment directly into your headboard, keeping a shotgun or similarly sized long gun within arm's reach for home defense. Concealed behind the visible headboard, a hidden compartment opens with a simple push, allowing the firearm to be accessed quickly without obvious exposure to anyone entering your bedroom. Designed specifically for larger firearms, it avoids handguns to help prevent unsafe sweeping toward loved ones while retrieving the weapon. While not a traditional safe with locks or codes, its discrete mechanism and proximity make it a practical solution for responsible owners prioritizing rapid access and aesthetic integration into the bedroom. Small Hidden Gun Storage Bookcase. The Small Hidden Gun Storage Bookcase is a beautifully crafted hidden weapon storage hack that combines everyday furniture with discreet firearm concealment. Handcrafted from solid hardwood with 3 adjustable shelves and a secure lock, it functions as a normal bookcase until you need access to your firearms. Behind the seamless front, a hidden pull-out gun rack holds up to 5 long guns with a maximum length of 46 inches, keeping them out of sight yet readily available. Adjustable feet ensure smooth movement on uneven floors or plush carpet, and optional configurations accommodate handguns or valuables as well, making this piece both practical and stylish for responsible storage in any room. Underseat Pickup Truck Locking Gun Cabinet. The Underseat Pickup Truck Locking Gun Cabinet is a smart, high-security hidden weapon storage hack for Ford Super Duty owners who want to keep rifles and valuables concealed yet accessible. Built from welded 16-gauge steel with a durable textured powder coat finish, it fits neatly under the rear seat of F-250, F-350, or F-450 crew cabs, and offers over 2,170 cubic inches of lockable space for long guns and gear. Its pry-guard locking system with a 10-tumbler double-bitted lock and weather seals deliver reliable protection against theft and the elements, while chamfered corners make access easier for passengers. Installation is straightforward using factory hardware with no drilling required, keeping the unit discreet and secure beneath the seat. This cabinet balances robustness and stealth, making it an excellent choice for responsible firearm owners who travel with their gear. Tactical Clock. The Tactical Clock is a standout hidden weapon storage hack that turns a functional timepiece into a discreet firearm concealment solution without drawing attention. Crafted with a premium hardwood or designer clock face, it mounts flush on a wall and disguises a foam-lined hidden compartment sized to fit a handgun and magazine behind the clock face. Unlike basic magnetic latch clocks, this model incorporates RFID, or Bluetooth-enabled access, allowing near-instant unlocking with a keycard or phone while keeping the compartment hidden in plain sight. Its robust construction and elegant aesthetic make it both a practical home defense tool and a stylish addition to living spaces, blending security and stealth with no obvious indicators of what's inside. DUHA Lockable Under-Seat Storage. The DUHA Lockable Under-Seat Storage is a versatile hidden weapon storage hack that transforms the space beneath your truck's rear seat into a secure, out-of-sight storage solution. Designed specifically for 2019 to 2026 Ram 1500 crew cab models, this heavy-duty, roto-molded polyethylene lockbox fits snugly under the seat and blends seamlessly with the interior for a factory-like look. The keyed locking lid adds an extra layer of security for firearms, tools, and gear, while the removable two-piece gun rack dotch organizer lets you safely store up to 2 long guns, one with a scope, or remove dividers for larger items. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty and easy to install with included hardware, it enhances both security and organization on the road without compromising passenger space, making it a thoughtful choice for responsible owners who travel with firearms or outdoor equipment. Arma 15, AR-15. The Arma 15 AR-15 locking device is a smart hidden weapon storage hack that reimagines how you secure an AR-15 or similar rifle without using a traditional safe or box. Built from thick 7-gauge steel with reinforced locking points, it mounts vertically or horizontally on a wall or vehicle interior and holds the rifle securely by its magazine block, which is made of solid ABS polymer to protect your firearm's finish. Its dual spring-loaded automatic opening mechanism lets you retrieve your rifle in seconds once the padlock, not included, is released, giving a balance of quick access and robust security. With hardware included and compatibility across many AR-15 variants, this device offers a discreet, low-profile way to store your rifle while keeping it ready for responsible use. Hidden Gun Storage Bed. The Hidden Gun Storage Bed is a clever and functional hidden weapon storage hack that integrates secure firearm concealment into everyday bedroom furniture. Rather than looking like typical furniture, beds with concealed compartments in the headboard or frame use hidden doors and secret spaces to stash rifles, shotguns, or valuables out of sight, making them ideal for discreet home defense and storage. Built from solid woods like cedar or rosewood, these beds are sturdy and attractive, blending seamlessly with your decor, while providing sizable, easily accessible hidden space. Though they focus on concealment over heavy locking mechanisms, their design keeps firearms both discreet and close at hand, adding security without obvious bulk. Tactical Walls. Concealment Mirror. The Tactical Walls. Concealment Mirror is a standout hidden weapon storage hack that combines everyday home decor with discreet firearm concealment. At first glance, it looks like a modern full-length wall mirror, but behind that surface lies a recessed 14 inches by 40 inches by 3.5 inches in-wall compartment capable of holding multiple pistols, rifles, and emergency gear, all concealed out of sight. Designed to recess between standard 16-inch studs and protrude only about 2 inches from the wall, it remains subtle while offering significant storage. A magnetic retention system lets you secure metal gear where you prefer inside, and the high-quality HDPE and laminated MDF construction deliver a smooth, premium feel. This mirror achieves a rare balance of functional storage, stealth, and style, making it an excellent choice for responsible owners who want concealed access without obvious safes or cabinets. One Tigris Hidden Gun Storage. The One Tigris Hidden Gun Storage is a clever hidden weapon storage hack that disguises a secure compartment within what looks like a wooden picture frame, blending seamlessly into your home decor, while concealing firearms and valuables. Its 3 spacious internal compartments let you organize pistols, cash, keys, watches, and other items discreetly, and the smooth sliding mechanism provides easy access without fumbling with keys or combinations. Installation is straightforward with a simple 3-step wall mount, and the included picture panel with patch holder adds a personal decorative touch. However, some users caution that the mounting hardware and wood backing could be sturdier, so careful installation is recommended for secure long-term use. Overall, it's a stylish, practical option for responsible owners wanting discreet, everyday concealment.